So Switchel, combination of 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, 1 grated heaping tablespoon of ginger, a pinch or 2 of salt to give you back the potassium that the hot working hayfield weather leached out of you, and water to quench your thirst. So I have a little bit of warm water here to help dissolve my sugars, but not so hot that it can kill the good things for you in the raw apple cider vinegar. And so what did I decide to do? I think I am going to just add a tablespoon of grated ginger into the water, heaping tablespoon, and I have 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and that's what I was a little bit concerned about, having it dissolve in the additional water that I have. So I'm going to test. Yes, it's just kind of lukewarm now. There's quite a bit of vinegar, ginger particles in this, but we're making it and we can strain it before we drink it. The other thing I would like to add is a pinch of salt. The potassium in the salt is what you're leaching out of your body when you're perspiring, you're sweating. So here, I'm going to dissolve that in there when I can hear the grit gone. I think that's going to be good. And then we're going to do about 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar as well. Let me see if I can kind of eyeball it. Pretty sure that's close to 3 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar. And instead of pouring my water into this, because this is the concoction I have a pitcher with cool water in it, I'm going to instead pour all those ingredients in there. I can let it sit, I can stir it, I can come back, I can cool it in the brook, setting it in the brook. I can cover it with cheesecloth. Straining out the ginger particles of the grated ginger, just so that we can taste test this Switchel. Leave them in for longer. In fact, I put these back in to our crock of Switchel, so that we can see. Here's the one for you. And the one for me. Yes, Switchel is good. This is a milder flavor than one I've had before. I like this combination of maple syrup, grated ginger, vinegar, and water. Simple and easy and refreshing.